Another day, another story. There are many great YouTube channels for digital marketing, but here are some of the most popular and highly recommended ones. Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a well-known digital marketer who offers a wide range of content on his YouTube channel, including SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and more. HubSpot. HubSpot is a leading marketing software company that offers a wealth of resources and insights on their YouTube channel, covering everything from inbound marketing to sales and customer service. Backlinko. Backlinko is run by Brian Dean, a well-respected SEO expert. His channel provides valuable insights on search engine optimization and link building strategies. Moz. Moz is a well-known SEO software company that offers a wide range of resources on their YouTube channel, including tutorials, webinars, and expert interviews. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a popular SEO tool that provides in-depth analysis of website traffic and backlinks. Their YouTube channel offers a variety of tutorials and case studies on SEO and content marketing. Digital Marketer. Digital Marketer is a leading provider of digital marketing training and certification. Their YouTube channel offers a wealth of resources on topics such as email marketing, social media advertising, and conversion optimization. Social Media Examiner. Social Media Examiner is a popular online publication that provides insights and best practices on social media marketing. Their YouTube channel covers a variety of social media marketing topics, including Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Google Ads. Google Ads is the advertising platform run by Google. Their YouTube channel provides tutorials and best practices on how to run successful ad campaigns on Google. These channels are a great starting point for anyone looking to learn more about digital marketing.